Now I'm going to show you how to call out your POs on the new A&H customer interface website. When you're on the dashboard, you want to go to the Call Out POs button. Once the page loads, you'll see all of your available POs listed here. You can select specific lines that you want to call out. If you're shipping to one location, you can call as many POs as you want at the same time. We're going to select these 4 lines. If you want to limit it down, you can do a filter by PO number, item number, or maker PO number, as well as entry date and the status of the PO. If you want to call a PO from a different store, you select the POs from dropdown, and all the stores that you vend for will be listed here. After you've selected your POs, you want to go to the View Selected POs tab. This will give you a summary of all the lines that you have selected. And you click the Call Out Selected POs button to begin the call out process. From here, we're going to want to fill in all the required fields. Any field marked with an orange box around it is required. First thing we want to do is fill in our Ship To information. We can either fill in each of these boxes individually, or if we already have Ship To saved in the system, we can press on the Choose Ship To button. Then we can choose one of the Ship Tos that we've already saved, and it will automatically populate the Ship To information. As you see, all of our fields have already been filled in. Next, we want to come down and decide where we're going to be ordering our certain items from. So if we want to order one from US, and another from Taiping, and the third from Qingdao, we can choose all those different various locations. Then, we want to input our variable data for each item. If we want to copy a certain field down, we can press on this orange button. You'll be given a prompt to make sure that you want to copy the field. As you can see, it copied the field to all the various lines. This saves you time when you want to fill out your POs quickly. The same can be done for the Maker PO field, the location fields, and all custom fields. We're going to put in different information for these fields for demonstration purposes. If we want, we can also change quantities of certain items. As you see, once you've changed quantities, you'll need to click on the Update PO Line Quantities button. By doing this, you allow us to verify that any amount of item you're trying to order is available for ordering. Don't worry, none of your data will be lost. Once we've verified the quantities, locations, and custom fields of each line, we want to come up and review our information. Now we want to select carriers for each location. If we're ordering from multiple locations, we can select multiple carriers, but only one per location. So for the US, we'll choose UPS. For Taiping, we'll choose DHL. For Qingdao, choose FedEx. For each carrier, we want to choose an account type if we're going to use an A&H account or our own personal business account. For the first two, we'll choose A&H. For Qingdao, we're going to choose our own third-party account. If we choose a third-party account, we're we're required to put in an account number. Once you've entered this information, we're ready to call out the PO lines. Once you confirm, orders will be created. After a few seconds, your orders will be created and will supply you with the order numbers. As you can see, we break out the order numbers for each location. If you go back to the View Filtered POs tab, you'll no longer see the lines that you selected, as they're no longer available to call out. If you change the status, you can look at POs that you've previously called out. That's all you need to know about making a call out on the new A&H Customer Interface website.